Hello and welcome to today's room tour video. This time we're reviewing the Sai Daeng Resort, which is a 4-star hotel situated on its own peninsula on the southeastern tip of Koh Tao. We stayed in the honeymoon suite, which was actually advertised as a villa with sea view. It boasts its own private gate and stairway to get down to the villa. Once inside, you're greeted by a large 4-poster bed with a mosquito net. There are 2 lounge chairs in the bedroom overlooking the sea with a comfortable shag pile rug underneath. There is a standalone air conditioning unit in the bedroom, which is the only one in the villa. The bathroom is actually open air, hence there's no aircon.
Let's go.
There is a minibar with refreshments that come with a price list. There is a Nescafe pod machine with 2 complimentary pods per day. Underneath the counter is a small fridge with drinks as part of the minibar. They also provide complimentary bottles of water as usual. The accessories included dedicated beach towels in a wicker beach bag for use at the resort's private beach. There were also dressing gowns, slippers and a safety deposit box. Now onto the bathroom where everything is open plan. There's a rainfall shower and western toilet, as well as 2 basins, notably no bath. Some fixtures were a bit dated, such as the hairdryer. The windows to the bathroom were open slats, hence aircon wouldn't really work in here. The bedroom patio doors attract such a refreshing breeze, as the villa is perched right on a cliff edge overlooking the sea, so the winds roll right in through the windows. The only downside is the mosquitoes. The view of the pool deck is stunning. It's all relatively private, except for the odd person snorkeling down below.
Well, this is cute. This wasn't here last time.
The pools are more like plunge pools, so you can't exactly swim, but they are great for a refreshing dip after sunbathing. You can access the rooftop via a set of stairs that's now quite overgrown.
Spectacular is that?
The views are great, but I wish they'd do more with this area. There used to be sun lounges and a gazebo, but they seem to have removed it since I last visited. Now let's see where this private path beside the villa takes us.
We are here just outside on the private little beach of our villa, and we're down by the rocks, trying not to slip and fall. But in this little pool over here, we've seen 2 reef-tipped sharks, which is so amazing. It's really hard to see because it's so bright, so it's really hard to get it on footage, but you can just about see the fins popping out of the water, and it is spectacular. There's a huge amount of fish there. That's probably why it's there, isn't it? There it is, there it is, there it is. Oh no, it's 3. Glass that Damien found on the beach.
Too much.
Another piece here. Another piece here.
The private beach area is a great feature to this honeymoon villa, but I really feel like they could have made better use of it. The floor is stony and uncomfortable, and whilst there is a parasol, there's no seating area at the bottom. A missed opportunity in my opinion.
So ascending back up the stairs. This is not very stable. Some of the stairs are a bit broken. The air conditioning unit is incredibly loud. See it there at the side. Slight trip hazard there. Usually this would be full of water so you can rinse your feet off, but it's empty and overturned. And then we're back up.
So that concludes our review of the honeymoon villa at Sai Daeng Resort. Overall, Sai Daeng has a nostalgic feel for me, which probably biases my judgment on this villa. Unfortunately, it seems to be quite neglected in terms of maintenance. It definitely needs a refresh. There's a new family pool villa that's been built since I last visited in 2020, so most of the money seems to have been invested in that, but it does feel like this villa has been left behind. to recommend staying in this particular villa, but I would recommend one of their other rooms, as the resort still has a lot to offer on its grounds. So stay tuned for more videos where we explore the rest of the hotel.